Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to use Markup inside of the Photos app on your iPhone in order to add text to your pictures. This is something that's come in useful for myself recently as I'm going through old family photos and sharing them with other people. In this example, I'll point out my mom in an old photo of her and her brothers and sisters, and I'm sure she's going to be super excited about this being on the internet. To get started, open the Photos app and choose the photo that you want to add text to. At the top right, tap Edit. At the top right again, choose the three-dot menu button. In here, tap Markup. A quick note, if you use live photos, you will have to turn that feature off in order to use Markup. Hit OK if you get the pop-up asking you to turn it off. Now that the Markup selections appear at the bottom, choose the plus sign on the far right and then select Text. You will then get a text box that appears on your photo. You can select the text and drag it to place it where you want, and when you're ready to edit it, double tap and type what you want. When you're done typing, select anywhere outside of the text box. You can then edit the style of your text by choosing the text again and then at the bottom choosing an option. The first one lets you change between a few fonts and easily resize. You can also change the color of your text by the presets next to that or choose the color palette at the end. When you're finished, tap Done on the top right and then Done again on the bottom right on the Adjust screen to save all of your changes. And it's that easy to add text to your pictures inside of the Photos app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.